Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Haslinda binti Abdul Hamid. I am one of the members for this research paper, and my topic for this presentation is Malaysia Textile Craft Industry, Innovation Inspired by Bamboo for Batik Block Contemporary Design. Okay, let me start with the background of this study. Batik block in batik industry has been practiced in Malaysia since 1920s, and it is also known as batik chop or batik terap. Batik block normally made from steel with a variety of engraved design on the surface of it. And because it made from steel, so the blocks are heavy to handle by the practitioners. And the beauty of the block batik pattern design actually depend on the fineness and the creativity of the motif design that engrave on the surface of the block. Therefore, the objective of this study is to produce new design for batik using bamboo, as the bamboo used as a convenient block to stamp design for batik. The light weight of the bamboo can reduce the consequences toward the practitioners rather than using block made from steel, which is the steel is more heavy than bamboo. So the study is also emphasized on the uses of bamboo sticks cut to create new geometric and spontaneous design such as circular motif, dots and dotted line. The uniqueness of the motif and design pattern also depends on the creativity in manipulating the structures of cut bamboo with the stamping application of wax and color techniques. A variety of designs such as overall repetition, vertical stripes and horizontal stripes, as well as color overlays and tones, highlight the creativity of the batik design. Okay, next, I move to objective. Okay, the objective of this research is to identify the application and the effectiveness of bamboo material as batik block to design the patterns through alternative methods in batik making process. And also the second objective of this study is to produce an alternative framework of pattern design production through natural sources as a bamboo natural sources such as bamboo as batik block for the practitioners of batik textile in the craft industry. Okay, now I move to methodology of the research. So this study is a qualitative research with case study approach through studio practice and experimentation. Okay, first, we select the suitable bamboo. We select suitable bamboo structures to be applied as block for designing purposes. Okay, especially a circular shape with series of sizes. For example, we select bamboo with circular shape with a series of sizes from the smallest to the biggest. Okay, actually the research focus on selecting suitable bamboos by observing its structures and parts to be applied as block for designing pattern for batik block. So here are the examples. the parts of bamboo structures that were selected to be made as batik block in designing pattern through stamping technique. Okay, next, and the methodology is designing batik. Designing batik, the next process is designing batik block patterns from the bamboo using the design principle and element of fabric and colors. Okay, this process actually to acquire the batik block patterns based on the principle and elements of design on the fabric surface, including the coloring process. Okay, here are the process of designing batik blocks through stamping technique, and these are the process of designing pattern of batik block through stamping technique and coloring. Okay, the next is the results. Okay, so the result from the experimentation, what we can see here is bamboo enabled to be an effective batik block to produce design and pattern. So we get the result that actually bamboo is enabled to be an effective batik block to produce design and pattern. So study on the bamboo structures such as twigs and stick in a variety of sizes along with candle wet stamping and pressing method produce batik patterns and motifs such as circular, line and dotted motif. Second result that we can get from this study is bamboo is a natural sources which can be an alternative for batik block instead of steel in producing batik design for the practitioners of batik textile craft industry. Okay, so here motif created from different sizes of bamboo twigs and sticks like circular, dotted and line were used to create design for batik block pattern by applying the elements and principle of design. So here the picture shows the result of pattern design of batik block through batik making process by stamp or impression technique with bamboo as a material. And what we can conclude is the outcome of the research shows that the innovative aspect in applying nature-based materials such as bamboo into contemporary block batik pattern design able to provide new knowledge and perspective for batik industry, especially for block batik in Malaysia. So by applying the batik techniques including wax and color, bamboo significantly can be a new material for block batik and provide spontaneous contemporary design and motif. Therefore, the research provides benefits to textile art researchers, batik practitioners, batik entrepreneurs, batik block manufacturers, and even the handicraft industry with nature-based resources. Okay, so these are the recognition that the researchers get from the competition. Okay, Yayasan Budi Penyayang actually has a tremendous effort in organizing batik design competition known as Piala Seri Endon. So this competition used as a platform for recognizing the batik designers and researchers alike. So these pictures shows the design or motif created by the bamboo block. And also, this picture shows that the artworks, product and recognition from the competition, in soft furnishing and fashion category, which is inspired by the bamboo features of the bamboo, for the design of this soft furnishing and this fashion category. Okay, so this all from my presentation for the papers Malaysia Textile Craft Industry, innovation inspired by bamboo for batik block contemporary design. Thank you very much.